Let's make some carbonara.
Okay, now you're gonna want to boil your salted pasta water. Now you're gonna want to cut up your guanciale. Done. And make sure to left some of that fat. Don't throw away the skin. Give it to the. Okay, so now your pasta water will be boiled, and you can go ahead and put in your spaghetti. Don't break it. And you want to boil this for 8 minutes, so it's al dente. Now you're going to take your black pepper and roast this in a dry pan for 30 to 60 seconds. Now you're gonna pour black pepper into our. Now crush them up with anything you can find. Done. Now you're gonna want to take your guanciale and fry it in a pan. Usually you just put it on a dry pan, but I like to put the fat on there, so more juice. In the meantime our pasta is done, so going to take some pasta water and save it for later. Now we're going to strain our pasta. Okay, this should be enough, so we're gonna take them out and put the guanciale on this. Really hard to cook with one hand. Now fry until crispy. I made them a little bit too thick, but that's okay. Until they're cooked, we're gonna take some pepperino cheese, but I couldn't find it, so I got some Forte cheese. We're gonna put that into a bowl with a splash of pasta water and 2 egg yolks and some of that black pepper. Oh my god. Now you can put some water boiling again, because yeah. Okay, our guanciale is ready now. We're gonna put it away. Now we're gonna use some fat leftover to the guar cream. Okay, now put your pasta on the hot pan, so all of the flavors can sink in. You're gonna want to place a bowl over your boiling water. And now you're going to take your pasta and put it in the bowl with the cream that you made. And then a splash of pasta water to loosen it up. And now it's time to plate up. What the fuck to chef? So somehow cut it. Now you're just going to top it off with your guanciale, and boom! There you go. Pasta carbonara, traditional.
I wish I wasn't fat. I wish I wasn't gay.
I accidentally cracked my homie because he was dressed like a maid. Smashed a bloke on the head with an iPad. Then I realised, he's low-key kinda bad. I stole his money pot and used it for gambling. But I cheated and now my balls are dismantling.